Welcome to this special episode of EagleAir TV. I'm Shelby Hicks.
And I'm Lucy Camacho.
Some of our students went to the Academy of Scholastic Broadcasting four-state competition.
This competition was located on the MSU campus and hosted over 25 schools.
This episode includes the following stories Nix has submitted:
Swift versus NFL,
football family,
and kick from the past. Taylor Swift and Travis Kelce have brought a new fan base to both the NFL and music standings.
Blake Eidson takes a look into Taylor Swift's relationship on how it has expanded the fan base of NFL.
Welcome to this sports commentary segment. I'm Blake Eidson, and today we are talking football. Today we are in Springfield, Missouri at Missouri State University campus. But just a few hours north from here is the home of the Kansas City Chiefs. The NFL has been popular for many decades, but recently has been gaining more attention from music fans across the nation when star tight end Travis Kelce of the Kansas City Chiefs started dating famous musician Taylor Swift. After making their relationship public, there were some very positive things that happened for the Chiefs. One of which is Travis Kelce gaining 1.1 million followers on Instagram not long after. Another, after the September 26th battle against the Bears, the Chiefs' jersey sales went up 400%. And also, on October 1st, in the Chiefs' battle versus the Jets, they reached a new 27 million viewers, a new record high for a regular season NFL game, all because Taylor Swift was up and high in those boxes. Some fans argue it's not a good thing, though. They don't want to see, after every big play, Taylor Swift celebrating, and they just want the old football back. For ASB 4-State, this is Blake Eidson reporting.
People see our football players as jocks, but our EagleAir team took some time to go more in depth.
Ryan Viscioni digs to discover Nix's Stars athlete Spencer Ward's drive and where his dedication comes from.
Coming from a long line of smart football players, Spencer Ward has to follow his family's footsteps. Football has been a big part of Ward's life from an early age.
I started playing in first grade. I just had a passion for it. I've always been so competitive, hate losing, and it's just stuck with me.
Ward gains inspiration from the atmosphere of his first game he's watched.
It was probably 2015 maybe. I went to the Knicks Webb game. It could have been 2014, but back then when like Alec Murphy and all them were playing, I remember watching that game and how packed it was, and I just wanted to play in that type of environment, and it was cool.
Ward has been balancing his schoolwork and his athletics for a long time.
I get my work done. I still got a 4.0 all throughout high school, and like there's stats where I'm tired from my sport, but I still gotta get the books done, get all that academic stuff done. So.
Spencer's brother Stephen Ward, who was a Missouri State football player, prioritizes his schoolwork for a good reason.
Yeah, we're all pretty studious. We're student athletes, obviously, the students first. So we have good grades. We make sure that we stay on top of it because, like I said, football is not forever. So you got to have a plan for what you're going to do after that. And mine is obviously go to med school, so I'm getting my education while enjoying the game of football while I can.
Stephen has been a role model to his brother for a long time.
It was awesome to kind of be a role model for him to kind of look up to. That's really why I do what I do, because I want to do what I can for my younger siblings and show them that you can do whatever you want to do if you put your mind to it. I just want to show them that being an athlete runs in our blood. Our dad and our mom, they put us on the right path, and I just got to show them that I got to make something of it.
For ASB 4-State, this is Ryan Viscioni reporting.
For this challenge, our students were tasked with finding someone to discover their roots.
Blake Eidson talks to Seth Weatherfield, a former Nix's student, and takes a shot at the goal.
Walking around, surrounded by buildings and dorms, hearing the sounds of students walking to class or back to their rooms. That's what it's like at the campus of Missouri State University. With over 24,000 students at MSU, there can be a large amount of history just walking around campus. Seth Weatherfield, a student at MSU studying forensics, learns to find the good parts of being at home while away from home.
One of the main reasons for me, it's close to home, so that's always kind of a good. And then two, I love the campus. It's a nice campus. It's cool in the fall, you know. You get the weather from the winter, so you used to get the snow, but in the summer you still get the hotness of it, and so it's kind of nice just to get it all.
Seth's love for soccer can still be relived at MSU, even if he isn't part of the soccer team.
Honestly, the walking around campus is really nice. Also, as well as like the soccer fields, the availability to like being able to work out. It's really easy. It's really accessible. So it's always nice to do that constantly. I don't have to schedule my day around it. I can just go and do it if I want to, spur the moment before 9 o'clock. So I had forensics, which is kind of in criminology, but that's more sciencey based, and criminology is much more humanities based.
For ASB 4 State, this is Blake Eidson reporting.
Thanks for tuning in to this episode of EagleAir TV. Check out the Nixa Journalism website for more content.
Remember to stay safe and you matter.
We'll see you next time.